Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to borrow money from Botim app using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Botim app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home screen, tap on All at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on Payment or Wallet. Here you will see your different money options. Look for an option called Borrow, Loan or Cash Advance. If the option is available in your country, tap on it. Now Botim will show you how much money you are eligible to borrow. This amount depends on your account usage, verification and history. Next, read the loan details carefully. You will see the borrow amount, service or interest charges or payment window. After checking everything, tap on Borrow Now or Confirm. Botim may ask you to verify your identity. This can include enter your PIN, use Face ID or confirm with an OTP code. Once verification is done, you will see a success message. The borrowed money will be added directly to your Botim wallet. You can use this money to spend, pay or transfer as needed. Always make sure to repay on time to avoid extra charges and to keep your account in good state. And that's it. This is how you borrow money from Botim on iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next